Good morning, Gregg Perry here again at Gregg Perry's Conservation Studio in Pennsylvania. This morning we continue on with the Detouche clock. As you can see, the ebonized band around the perimeter of the serpentine base has been masked off for protection. What we're going to proceed to do now is color in. I've done some investigation of other wood associated with Detouche, and I've taken a sample of the color that in some very unobscure areas to try and get some good 18th century color. And so I've looked at about 6 bases and made up a proprietary stain here out of aniline dyes and water to give us what we need to have. So we're just gonna start putting it on with a sponge brush for control. And this is the typical color of mahogany as it was new. This mahogany's been under a lot of intense light over the years. It's faded severely. And also it's been under the auspices of some very bad polyurethane, which tend to break down the surface fibers. And as you saw last night, we were scraping, or I was scraping, the traditional cabinet scraper, a card scraper, and this is to sever and literally cut the fibers on an angle to receive the color. So let me put the video down, and I will proceed to color the rest of the base, and I'll let you know when we're going to start shellacking it. Okay, and we'll bring another video up. Thanks very much, and thanks for visiting the restoration of the Detouche Monumental floor clock. Thanks again.